everywhere. Your nickname is still the Lady of Steam. High priority rooms, you're known as control freak. That people don't know that you are so weak. 'Cause Elsa is a fool that she took your life. No one really likes you, so it's just one of five. More enemies than friends you have all around. Most time just waits for your final round. Your choices were failures, all songs were the past, and you spent bunch of money, but that's only minor loss. Please just go away. Enough damage so far. Your passion was dance, so vanquished